Hello viewers, welcome to Kavi's Math Period. Today we are going to see Unit 7 Mensuration. Problem number 1. The radius and height of a cylinder are in the ratio 5:7 and its curved surface area is 5500 square centimeter. Find its radius and height. So let us solve this problem. What is given is the ratio of radius and height, which is given as 5:7. So now let us take the radius as, so let radius is equal to 5x. This 5:7 is the ratio, therefore the value can be taken as 5x. Similarly, height is given as 7, so height is 7x. Now it is given in the problem, CSA of a cylinder is 5500 square centimeter. So we know that curved surface area of a cylinder is given by 2 pi RH square units. So already in the question it is given the value of CSA. Therefore we can substitute 2 pi RH equal to 5500. Now we have to find the value of x. After finding the value of x, we can find the radius and height using 5x and 7x. Therefore now let us substitute the value for radius and height. So which implies 2 into value of pi is 22/7 into radius is taken as 5x and height is 7x equal to 5500. Now here when we multiply this, we have x into x is x squared. The remaining values are 2 into 22 into 5. Here this 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So 2 into 22 into 5 into x squared equal to 5500. So now we have to find the value of x squared. Therefore x squared equal to 5500 divided by 2 into 22 into 5. So now we have to cancel these values. So on cancelling we have, so we can easily cancel by 11. So 11 2s are, so this is 11 5s are. So next we can cancel this by again 2. So this is 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 0. Again we can cancel, this is using 5. So we have 50. Again we can cancel this by 2, it is 25. So now we have got x squared equal to 25. So x is equal to root of 25. So which gives the value as 5. Now we have got the value of x as 5. Therefore radius r is given by 5x, which is equal to 5 into x value is 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. Similarly, height equal to 7x. So which is equal to 7 into x value is 5. So 7 into 5 is 35. And we have to write along with the unit. So here the given unit is CSA is 5500 square centimeter. So it is in centimeter. Therefore radius is given in centimeter. Similarly height in centimeter. Here comes the second problem. A solid iron cylinder has total surface area of 1848 square meter. Its curved surface area is 5/6 of its total surface area. Find the radius and height of the iron cylinder. So here the problem is based on cylinder. So before starting the problem, first let us write what is given. So given is total surface area of cylinder, which is given as 1848 square meter. Next, the condition between CSA and TSA is given. So which is given as CSA is 5/6 of its total surface area. So CSA equal to 5/6. So 5/6 of its total surface area. This is what given, and we have to find its radius and height. So we have to find radius of the cylinder and height of the cylinder. Now let us start the problem. So first TSA is given. So TSA equal to 1848 square meter. We know that TSA of a cylinder is given by 2 pi r into h plus r. So which is 1848. Now let us split this value because we don't know the value of radius and height. Therefore this can be written as 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r squared. We are removing this bracket and the value is 1848. So let us keep this as it is. Now CSA is 5/6 of total surface area. Let us take this given condition. So given CSA equal to 5/6 of TSA. So now we have to substitute the value for TSA which is already given in the question. So this becomes 5/6 into 1848. So now we have to cancel these values. So we will have 6 one time, 6 3s are 18, 0, 6 8s are 48. So on multiplying we have 5 8s are 40, so 5 3s are 15. So 1540, the unit is meter. So since it is area, it is meter square. Now we will take the CSA. So CSA value is given like this. So CSA equal to 1540. We know that CSA of a cylinder is given by 2 pi RH. So which is 1540. Now let us keep this as second equation. Now we have to compare first equation and second equation. So in second equation we have got the value of 2 pi RH. So we have to substitute that value in equation number 1. So we have, now this first equation becomes 2 pi RH. Instead of 2 pi RH, we will put the value of 1540 plus 2 pi r squared equal to 1848. Using this, first let us find the value of r squared. So this implies 2 pi r squared equal to 1848 minus 1540, which gives the value as 803. So 2 pi r squared is 308. Now let us substitute the value for pi. So it is 22/7 into r squared equal to 308. So we want r squared. So let us take all the terms to that side, which becomes 308 into 7 by 2 into 22. Now we have to cancel this to find the value of r. So let us cancel this using 11. 11 2s are, so 11 2s are 8, so 11 8s are. Again by 2, so 2 1s are, 2 14s are. Again by this 2, so 2 1s are, 2 7s are. So we have got r squared equal to 7 into 7, which is equal to 49. That implies r equal to root 49, that is 7. So radius is given to be 7 meter. So now we have to find the value of h. So let us find. So to find the value of h, we have to substitute the value of r. Substitute r in equation number 2. So equation number 2 is 2 pi RH equal to 1540. So again let us substitute. 2 into pi value is 22/7. R value is 7. So here we can write substitute R equal to 7 into. So R value is 7 into H equal to 1540. So here itself we can cancel this 7. 7 goes off. Therefore H is equal to 1540 by 2 into 22. Again we have to cancel this value. So it is, when you cancel by 2 we have 2 sevens are 14, 2 sevens are 14, 0. Again we can cancel this using 11. 11 twos are 70. Again by 2. So it is 35. Therefore we have got height H is equal to 35 meter. Hence the radius R is given by 7 meter and height H is given by 35 meter.